Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here with Catnpaws. So I picked up a couple of the grab bags from Peachy Cheap. They were actually called the Cleaning Warehouse mini grab bags. They were $6.99 each with $4.96 shipping and handling for a total of $11.95, and I got two. So let me show you what I got. This really cute bunny washi tape. The anchors. And the umbrella person. And then I also got some stamps. Some cut-aparts that came in this bag. Sequins. I really like the paper clips, probably my favorite out of the bunch. Some wooden shapes. Simple Stories, We Are Family, wood veneer. What do you guys do with these? I'm not sure. And these two sticker sheets. The Jelly Bean. Forget Hexies. And this Jenny Bolin. Some alphas and some stars. So that was grab bag number one. You'll see a lot of similarity between this one and grab bag number two. More of the Jelly Bean Remember Hexies. Oh yeah, another pack of the wood veneer shapes that I don't know what to do with. At least I got different color sequins. These are green. And another sheet of the Jenny Bolin Studio. Another set of stamps, these time with the flag, which are cute though. I could see using these. Another pack of the cutout shapes. And if you're curious, I'll show you real quick. I don't know if this is something they have a manufacturer do just for them, or if they're part of a collection. And another pack of the paper clips. And more washi. Another pack of the pink anchors. Now I got two. I like the eggs, they're cute. And also a stripe. So those were my mini grab bags cleaning out the warehouse sale that Peachy Cheap had. I'm not as pleased as I normally am when I get a grab bag from them. I've only gotten a couple, and so far I've really enjoyed what I've got. There's a couple hit or miss in there, like okay, you know, but this was kind of just like, I'm not sure. But it's mine now, so I'll make the best of it. All right, guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching. Bye.